Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a message text template on CapCut. So in here, I have already added my video, and I'm going to just go to the text feature, and here just click on the text template. So there will be lots of options, but I'm going to just go to the message here, click on that. And in here there also will be a lot of options that you can choose, but I'm going to just use this ones right here, this message text box. So you can also like resize the size of it, and also the position. Let's say I want to put it in here at the top left corner like this, and you can also change the text. So just click on a text here. Okay, let's say I want to write that, and you can also change the reply. So just click on the reply box and delete it, and click on the reply that you want. And after that, you can just go back, click on the check icon, and you can also add like animations to it. So here is the result. For example, you want to add animation, but I'm going to just leave it as it is, and here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.